So hi everyone, so welcome back to my another video. So we're gonna see like the important how to build a confidence while speaking the English or speaking your some of the stranger or some of time. So guys, the speaking it is the key matter for the everyone, and also the confidence it is the key for everyone. If you haven't any confidence how to speak because of if you the overthinking some of time guys like how I am building confidence but literally I don't know how I am building confidence but in my opinion I am speaking to the communication skills I should improve, so that's the reason I am taking my mobile, take on the camera and record it. So that is the building confidence the initially I am the fear about to take my video and post on the YouTube. Like I am some of time I am the pair I the low confidence. So I am speaking some of time while the front of the camera I am stucking. So after that guys I am now the compared to initially I have so much of confidence while speaking the English. So that is the key guys. Like guys, so if you want go my check my channel the old videos I have it the confidence because of I like facing the camera. I'm some of time I'm watching the around or some of time I know like my facial expression is a different, but compared to that, yeah, in my thing I have so much of confidence. I'm speaking a lot while the English, so that is the key guys. Like initially we are struggling to speak, so some of time if you're speaking the every day, the 5 days, yeah, you can the after days, yeah, you have some of the confidence. You don't fear about, yeah, you are speaking the communication skills. So it is the key, guys. Like if you want, the try these tips. So first 5 days, what is happening? That is a good or bad. You will. What do you mean? That just the try 5 days. After that, the sixth day, you will be the the what you did the previous day. Yeah, you can the confidently doing upcoming days, guys. Like initially I am also doing like what is happening or not. I am not seeing the result, but I am put my the consistency. It is the key. Like nowadays, I am speaking the English with you. If you want some of time to stranger, I want the manageable communications. I have some of the experience too speaking. That's a skill guys, initially so many people are fear about that, but I am the face it the build the confidence. Like yeah guys, so and also speak slowly. If you speaking slowly, if you have some of the confidence, you have some confidence because of your the mindset will be changed, your thought will be changed. You have some of idea, you are having to think, yeah, what will be speaking. If you speaking, some people they can understand, so that is a key matter also guys. Yeah, I think these are the build my confidence, like. And also I mentioned the consistency is the key for your building a confidence. If you give up, yeah, you don't get the confidence, right? Yeah, guys. So I think in this small videos. So if you like this video or if you helpful this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks for the watching full video. We're gonna see next video. And also if you want any suggestions for me, so please share your thoughts in the comment section. I will improve in the next video. Okay, thank you.